Swing comfortably in the LeisureMod hanging egg chair. Protect your patio finish with 8 scratch-resistant feet. An ergonomic curved back supports a plush cushion and headrest, providing absolute comfort. All safely held by a reinforced hook and chain. Control the amplitude of your swing with equipped safety rope. And secure your cushion to the shell with attached ties. Wrapped in hand-woven wicker material by outstanding craftsmen. Folding up the chair and disassembling the stand is quick and convenient, perfect for storage and transportation needs. 2.5mm steel pipes ensure enhanced strength and durability. Stylish design matched with quality craftsmanship make for a fine addition to your home.